Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today, I'm going to tell you a story of what had happened last week. I visited my store, or the source of my heritage wear, here in the Philippines, in Metro Manila, in National Capital Region here in the Philippines, and I went to the Signet Store. The Signet Store is located at the Power Plant Mall in Makati City. And that is the place where I started to buy my heritage wear as early as in December of 2020. So last week I went there, and my plan was to see the latest addition or latest workwear or heritage wear that are available in this store. As you know, this store carries a lot of heritage boots, heritage wear, jackets, shirts, and accessories like sunglasses and other stuff. So practically this store is complete in heritage wear. And almost all the staff eh, are very friendly, very kind, very courteous, and very accommodating. And I actually knew them from the very start, from Mr. Bryce Salhab, and all this staff or personnel of this Signet Store are very kind, very accommodating, and very nice people. So I asked my friend Paolo, one of the staff, actually is the one holding my account. So he asked me if, by the way, I was the one who asked him if there are new stuff or shirts or jackets or boots available in the store. So I went to this particular place. I saw some brand new shirts in their stock. So I asked Paolo if I can fit some of the new stuff in the store, and he allowed me to fit them. And I fitted a Mr. Freedom Dude Rancher Western shirt. And then I fitted another shirt, and Paolo was very happy that the red color Western shirt is okay with me. And then I asked Paolo if he still have the Iron Heart Western shirt that I tried 2 months ago. And he went into the stock place or at the back of the store, and then he was laughing to me, and he was carrying the black Western shirt from Ironheart. So what happened is that I was surprised because my instruction to Paolo that time was to hold the item for about 2 weeks, and I'll be back to the store to buy the said item. However, 2 months had passed, and I forgot the Western shirt, and after 2 months, I went back, and that was last week, and I was surprised to see that the Ironheart Western shirt in 14-ounce black and black is still available, waiting for me to be taken out from the store. So what I did is to fit it again and make sure the Western shirt is really fitted on me. And the Western shirt is size small. As you know, my previous shirts, the 20th anniversary in Sax color is also size small. The Wabash work shirt that I got from Ironheart UK or Ironheart America is also small. And of course, when I tried the small on the 14-ounce Western shirt in black and black, I was happy that it really fits me. So I finally decided to buy the Western shirt from Ironheart. And we were laughing, and he was joking to me. I mean, Paolo was joking to me that the one thing that he remembered is for him to reserve a denim vest for me. And the denim vest is still in the storage room waiting for me to be bought. But I said, no, I was not interested in the denim vest. What I was interested is this black and black 14-ounce Western shirt. Actually, I was supposed to buy that before the start of the Red Line Rally Denim Fade competition, which started last January 1st. So actually, I was there at the store at the first week of January. To be exact, it was January 3 or 4, and I was intending to buy the said item. But I held up my 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 mind, and I was not yet decided, as I have two pieces of denim pieces of upperwear which I'm using right now at the Red Line Rally Denim Fade competition. The first one is the Brave Star Ironside jacket, which is 21.5 ounces, which is the one that I'm using. And the second item, which is a Western shirt, is a Western shirt, the Duke from Nama Denim of Thailand, which I ordered on the third quarter of last year. So those are the two items that I've been using for the Red Line Rally. However, after 6 weeks of using daily usage of the Nama Denim, I was so frustrated not to see any changes on the said denim. Even though I'm using it inside the house, after removing my jacket, I was still dismayed and frustrated not to see any cracks on the indigo of this said Western shirt. So finally, I was thinking when I went to this Signet Store last week, and I finally decided to shift or switch my Nama denim to this Western shirt from Ironheart. So I have here with me the item, and we're going to unbox it. Paolo was kind enough to put the item on a box in a nice bag from Signet. Very nice dark green bag, very thick. Nice. So we're going to have the box. A very nice touch from my man Paolo. Actually, he was the one who arranged the shirt and placed it in a special box courtesy of Signet Store by Paolo. So we're going to unbox this item. Nice. Very nice touch. It is wrapped in a fine paper, and there is a sticker of the Signet Store. Okay, we're going to remove that, and this is it. This is the Ironheart shirt 295 in black and black. It is size small. The price on the website is $365. I usually order from Ironheart America, and I pay in dollars through my debit card. However, I send it through the John Air Cargo Plus, and Johnny Air Cargo Class sent it from Los Angeles, from the receiving address to the Philippines. And I usually pay a shipping fee of additional of 1,300 to 1,400 pesos per piece, whether it is a pants or a shirt. So we're going to remove this item from the box. Since I bought this here locally in the Philippines, I paid 18,800 pesos for this item. If you convert this in dollars, it is cheaper than 365. Usually, if I order through my debit card, I'm being charged of almost 2 pesos plus per dollar of the item that I'm going to buy. So if the conversion rate is 54 pesos and 50 centavos on the prevailing currency converter, I usually expect another 2 pesos additional, so that 54.50 will become 56.50. So that's it. So this one is cheaper. The one that I bought at Signet Store is cheaper than buying online. So it might be that this item came directly from Japan, and the Signet Store paid a very minimal tax duties, and that's why they're selling it here at a cheaper price rather than, the price coming from Ironheart America or Ironheart United Kingdom. This is my second Western shirt from Ironheart. The first one is the 20th anniversary in Saks color, and I really like that shirt. That is the ultra heavy flannel shirt. And this one is my first black and black Western shirt with a black tonal stitching. So you don't see any different color on the stitching because the stitching is all in black. It looks like a Johnny Cash all black Western shirt. Few days ago, I sent a message to Brian Sabo of the Indigo Invitational, and I requested from him if I can still switch my competition pair on the Red Line Rally from the Nama Denim from Thailand, Nama Denim shirt, to this shirt, and I was happy that he approved it. So starting tomorrow, February 24, and I am almost late for about 2 months, and by tomorrow, February 24, I'm going to use this as my competition pair for the Year 2 Red Line Rally. What I like about this Western shirt is you have a button down, and these are snap buttons, and it is very easy to remove as compared to those work shirt buttons. This is size small, and you have buttons on hem of the sleeves. You can easily remove. Of course, you have the Selvedge there on the hem of the sleeves. Nice touch. And on the, I think they call it the placket, another Selvedge line there. and of course the instructions, writings on inside on the left side, and it is behind the left pocket, and of course the tab. And we're going to have it fitted on me. Nice. It has just enough room on the wrist, and it's nice. At this moment, this fabric is still stiff, but once I will soak it in water, this will soften up a little bit. So my size on the pit to pit is 20 inches, so this is okay. I still have some space. They still have some room, especially at the back. Usually, black color is nice for springtime, and you can pair it with an indigo denim pants or black pants, and it's really nice. So once again, I would like to thank the staff of the Signet Store here in the Philippines, most especially to Paolo, who is the one managing my account, and actually he reserved another shirt for me, which I intend to unbox it again in my next videos to come. So thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. I hope you like my wear, and please subscribe to my channel for more items from Ironheart and some heritage wear. So with that, if you have any comments, please write down below, and if you haven't clicked that notification bell, please click it so that you will be notified of my future videos. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.